What makes a Pringles chip perfect for me is the taste. In this factory we are producing Pringles in 5 different can sizes and more than up to 20 different flavors. Starting a journey 3 years ago and seeing where we are today, I'm super proud of creating a lighthouse factory here in Kutno.
It was essential actually to move into digitalization because of the fact that the, let's call it, traditional way of producing Pringles is no longer fast or flexible enough. Digitalization helps us to boost performance, increase capacity, reduce the maintenance cost, reduce the energy cost. Using data, we are faster and more scalable.
Our digital transformation through partnership with Siemens is using all the tools that Siemens Xcelerator can actually offer to bring the factory into a lighthouse factory. So the DO Digital Twin basically works very simple. It's taking big data from different sensors, lasers, near-infrared sensors and camera system across the entire line. This big data is being fed into an AI model, and the AI model is returning it into a proposal to the dough maker, a recommendation how to use this data to really optimize his or her formulation. When the chip is perfect, the line performance will be very stable and it will allow us to even boost more volume capacity with that chip. This is how we make the perfect Pringles.